please like and subscribe to our next channel. Lalaro na kami ng tagu-taguan. Ay, tagu-taguan! Part 3 muna, part 3. Welcome to part 3, guys. Welcome to part 3, guys. Welcome to our next video channel. Welcome to Rebecca and Matthew's channel. Uy! Aso! Dudala talaga aso dito. Bye! Ano sasabihin mo? Ano gagawin natin? Tagu-taguan. Tsaka ako maghanap. So guys, let's go count. I'll pause this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For few minutes later. So guys, this is Matthew's home. And this is Matthew Fancy's pose. And what is that? Is that floating? It's a floating air. Look at me, guys. Yay! Uy! Oh my God! Oh my God! So guys, I'm going to blow out some dandelion. Then I'll make snow. Blow mo. Eh. Uy, sa akin yan. Talaga ba? Oo, nawala ako yan. So guys, this is a white rock. Later, we're going to ask Google how much is this. This is a white rock. Then guys, I'll make this water into snow. Guys, in 3, 2, 1. Guys, look, it's snowing. Okay, this is, it looks like a crystal. Yeah. See, look. What's that? Looks like a crystal, guys. Guys, I saw some more. Bigger than I thought. Snow, guys. Let's the fuck? Crystal. Keep mo na to para ma-search natin sa Google. Okay, guys, we need to search this from Google so we'll be rich, guys. Why you have a bruise? Yeah, yeah. So, guys, wait for part 4. Part 3. Part 3. Part 3 na to, di ba? Eh, di gawin natin yung isa. Bye-bye, guys.